Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel,
the
the
SD's
SD's
Chaos
Chaos
Club.
Club.
What do you think about the breaks which happen in friendships, and how do we deal with those breaks? Because in any relationship or friendship, that breaks are bound to happen. No relationship or friendship is perfect without any breaks. But I think it depends. Also, it should be temporary breaks. What do you
It
think?
depends, and again,
Hmm.
there are also people I had permanent breakup. दोस्ती टूटी है, जैसे होता है ना, झगड़े होते हैं,
Yeah.
कौन से रिश्ते में नहीं होती है.
Yeah.
So झगड़े होते हैं, misunderstandings होती है.
Hmm.
So there are a lot of things happens, where which automatically makes you drift apart.
Yeah, we
You know?
drift apart. Yeah.
So अभी जैसे कि one of the story that I told you that when I
Hmm.
mixed up two friends,
Hmm.
I had to take a break from that friend.
Hmm.
क्योंकि इतने ड्रामा के बाद मेरे से वो नहीं हो पाया कि मैं
Handle.
फिर से एकदम नॉर्मल हो जाऊं. आई
Yeah.
कांट बी दैट इमीडिएटली नॉर्मल
Hmm.
पर्सन.
Hmm.
तो मैंने क्या किया, थोड़ा शॉर्ट टाइम मैंने ब्रेक लिया, एक स्पेस लिया, बिकॉज अगेन आई वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड वो पर्सन का भी एक पर्सपेक्टिव हो
True.
सकता है यार.
Where is
क्योंकि
that
देखो,
person coming from? Of
correct,
course, I get it. I
हमेशा
understand.
मैं सही हूँ या मैं गलत हूँ, इट्स नॉट
Very
द
true.
पॉइंट.
Very true.
पॉइंट ये है कि हमें वो एक्चुअली स्पेस और टाइम चाहिए.
To understand the perspective of the other person as well.
एब्सोल्युटली, बस वही
Yeah,
चीज था
I
कि
understand.
तो वही करा मैंने कि
Hmm.
आई एक्चुअली इट हैपेंड विद मी लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स वेयर मैं स्पेस ली हूँ.
Hmm.
क्योंकि मेरे से क्या होता है, मेरे को क्लियर करना अच्छा लगता है, बट अगर क्लियर करने के बाद भी वो चीज नहीं समझ में आ रहा है,
Yeah.
देयर इज नो कॉमन ग्राउंड इज हैपनिंग,
Yeah.
देन इट इज बेटर टू टेक दैट स्पेस एंड देन कम बैक. फिर वो होता है ना, एक टाइम के बाद एक्चुअली आप भूल जाते हो.
Yeah.
एंड देन यू जस्ट गेट बैक विद
Yeah. With the
नॉर्मल
similar this thing, you get back and all.
Yeah.
So yeah, you want to share any story?
One of them was more of like very simple and very common story, which I think most of friends must have faced it. I'm guessing because movies में तो मैंने देखा है.
Hmm.
So मेरी एक friend थी, काफी सालों से हम लोग अच्छे friends थे, हमने बहुत hang out किया. तो we both happened to get into a relationship at the same time. So even I was busy with my relationship, she was busy with her new relationship. तो एक टाइम के बाद क्या हुआ कि I was very much confident in my relationship. I was okay with it. Even if she wants to hang out with us, I was okay with it. So वैसे ही उसका बॉयफ्रेंड और वो दोनों मुझे चाहते थे कि मैं उनके साथ बाहर जाऊं, हैंग आउट करूं कभी कभी. आई वाज ओके विद इट. बट एक टाइम के बाद क्या हुआ, एक पार्टी में वो हमारे साथ आई. सो मैं, मेरी फ्रेंड और हमारा एक और कॉमन फ्रेंड,
Okay.
हम तीनों एक पार्टी में थे. अब उसका बॉयफ्रेंड बाद में आया.
Okay.
बाद में आया पार्टी में, बट लेकिन वो ज्वाइन नहीं किया हमारे टेबल को. वो सीधा गया सेपरेट टेबल पे.
Why?
आई डोंट नो.
Okay.
That was a mystery.
That is
which till
so
date I don't know.
awkward. That is
It
so
was very awkward. I
awkward.
felt very disrespectful पहली बात, because आप जैसे होता है ना, अगर मैं तेरे बॉयफ्रेंड को अगर मैं उतनी इज्जत दूंगी तो वो अपने तेरे दोस्तों को भी तो उतना ही इज्जत देना चाहिए ना.
Yeah.
तो वही हुआ कि that he was in a separate table. तो मेरी फ्रेंड को obviously she had to go to her boyfriend. We did not stop her. But लेकिन there was incident where me and my friend, we were talking something else. It was nothing related to her, हमारी
Her
दोस्त
or
की
him.
boyfriend. हाँ, nothing. But लेकिन he assumed that we were talking about him. So he left the party early. He kept on calling her, telling her. So all of these misunderstandings created, and then he made her in such a way, like whatever अब वो बोला,
He made her
क्या किया,
feel.
या जो भी है,
Basically.
हाँ,
हाँ.
वो सब करके. So eventually she stopped calling me without even informing me. मतलब मुझे बताया ही नहीं कि क्या हुआ था. अब मुझे बस वो इंसिडेंट ही याद था. वो इंसिडेंट के बाद ही हम लोग बहुत कम हो गया था.
You drifted apart, basically.
So फिर 1-2 साल तक कैसे हुआ कि ऐसे कभी कभी एक ही शहर में होते आमना सामना तो हो ही जाता है. And she's also a party holic. I am also a party holic. So we did come across a lot of times, but obviously we were not talking. But I had nothing against her. But 2 साल के बाद she messaged me and we talked. फिर then वो बोलते हैं ना, basically वो भी
Did you guys sort it out?
yeah, kind of sorted out. बोल सकती हूँ. What about you?
I touch wood, my relationships have been very healthy. So this is one incident wherein this is school friend of mine. So it so happened that she got busy in her life, and I still remember that I made a call to her and I said that you're not calling me and all. Like how I like you, I need that attention. You're not calling me and all. She just told that I'm quite busy right now. I don't want to talk. Then I told her, okay, fine. Until unless you call, I'm not going to call you. And we almost didn't speak to each other for almost 3 to 4 years, I guess. So yeah, it was so painful for me. But then it is not ego, but it is like, probably she just needed that time, and I was also like, fine, okay, whatever. So then after like 3 to 4 years, she contacted me again, and she messaged me. But then me being me, I was like, I mean, when that distance happened, na, you just need some time. Not, see, it was not ego from my side, but it is only that I am scared that again I am not in a state to take that pain, wherein that person comes and then again leaves, and then what do I do? Where do I keep my emotions? I'm very emotional person, so I was very particular about how I invest my emotions. So then I threw a lot of tantrums for almost like 3 to 4 months, and honestly, I'll tell you, we are back again, and with whatever, however we were in childhood, and later also we are having same friendship again. So basically, when people say that once anything breaks, can't be joined back in the same way, but I feel and think, but if two people really are interested and they put those efforts now, you get back to each other more stronger.
I feel it takes also maturity.
That's what I'm telling. When two people really want to make it work now, be it a relationship, be it a friendship, it will work. So, and the efforts have to come from both sides. That's what I'm telling. Efforts have to come from both sides. Like, I am not letting you go. When I say I'm not letting you go, the other person is like, I'm not letting you go.
See, मेरे भी ऐसे फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनकी शादी हो गई है, सो उनसे मेरी हर रोज बात नहीं होती है, बट डजंट मीन दैट वी डोंट टॉक. जब भी हम फोन मिलाते हैं, इधर शी कॉल्स मी और ही कॉल्स मी और आई कॉल हर, कैसा मतलब मेरे कुछ मेल फ्रेंड्स भी है हु आर मैरिड, I don't disturb them. But whenever they call me, we talk. It doesn't feel like we're talking after 2 years or 3 years. ऐसे भी bonds होती है. So I think you're right. What you said is there are friendships breaks होती है, space होती है. We move on, and stuff like
Those
that.
are, I feel, the speed breakers basically, not the break. It is speed breaker, and when that speed breaker comes, that's when actually it tests the reality of that relationship and the person as well. That if a person is ready to let you go, then
Was she
no.
your friend at all?
Yeah, was she your friend, or was that relationship actually a relationship, a real relationship? Because I am not letting anybody go from my life that easily. When I consider them mine and they consider me also mine. So it's basically
दोस्ती
the
एक तरफा नहीं हो सकती.
कुछ भी दोस्ती या फिर any relationship as well. It doesn't happen with the reciprocation and everything comes together for a healthy relationship. Meanwhile, there was other friendship also which just broke, and I just let it be, because in the end, what is worth is worth. We had our own share of fights. For the first time, I found it very different friendship. But then that is when I understood and realized that not every friendship is the same, not every individual is the same. Everything is different, but it all depends on you again. Can you let this person go? Do you do not want this person?
Forgive the person is what also important.
Forgiveness in any kind of relationship, be it friendship or relationship, is very important. And it all depends again, if you want a person to be in your life, you have to forgive. You have to keep forgiving. You have to keep forgiving. But forgiveness doesn't mean that you let that person disrespect you. No, we do not support it. Yes. So sometimes sometimes we cross that line, we realize it, we come back, we apologize, and then we move forward. बहुत हुआ है. No, we didn't cross the line.
नहीं, but we apologize each other.
Yes,
and we actually
we apologize
chose
each
to.
other, and it so happened even on the trip, in the night we fight, we cried, and no, I don't want to talk to you, I don't want to talk to you, and that's it, finished.
I
And
almost
in the,
thought of left it.
yeah,
Leaving you at that time.
and then in the morning, I didn't know this. and in the morning we wake up, And she's like, okay, I'm sorry. I'm like, I am sorry too. And then we
again,
hug it out.
the point
Yeah,
is,
and we hug it
अगर
out.
अगर मैं समझ लो, the reason this happened with us is because we somewhere feel is that, you know, our bond, you know, we respect each other's
Yes,
bond, and
we
that
do,
I
we
feel the
do.
friendship, बोलते हैं ना, झगड़े से ज्यादा कौन सॉरी बोला या नहीं बोलने से
No,
अच्छा,
we don't.
मेरे को लगता है कि
Hmm.
दोस्ती में अगर झगड़े से ज्यादा वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
तो मुझे वही लगता है कि हम we both chose each other, like
Hmm.
you know, that way.
Above
That is why-
anything.
yeah, that is
Above
why
anything.
I think our friendship is surviving.
Yes. Sometimes it's on survival mode. Sometimes it is the friendship what's happening. But whatever it is,
I
we are
think
thriving.
we are.
We are thriving.
I
and
think.
and and because of that reason we are here
The
with
chaos
with
is
our
happening.
with our SDs
The
Kiosk
Kiosk
Club. So this is us signing out.
On female friendship.
Yes, on female friendships.
Keep watching our podcast like this, and we'll come up with more topics. So don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
bye bye.
Bye.